We're gonna put some SLPs on it, loudmouths. It's got a Borla right now on it. Give it gas. It's got a broken hanger we're gonna fix too. Again. That's what it sounds like with the Borla. Okay. Not too bad. It's too quiet though. So we're gonna make it a little bit louder. We're gonna reuse the tips. I'll show you guys the undercarriage before. There's sound decibels on it. Again. So right now it's right at 109. Again. With the Borla system. We'll let you guys hear it after we put the SLPs on. It's got an X pipe on it. High flow cats, and it's got the Borla Pro XS mufflers. So that's why it's so quiet. So we're gonna put these loudmouths on it. There's the Borla Pro XS's. One here, one here. And this is what we're gonna replace it with. SLP loudmouths. Right here. That's what they look like on the inside. Part number is right here. Here's the part number for you guys. So if you want to order them, that's what you got to order. So you guys seen the X pipe? It's got high flow cats and everything on it. There's the SLP mufflers, loudmouths, right there and right there. Instead of the Borlas, you guys saw the Borlas. There's the part numbers. Too many numbers to say. So that's what it looks like. We'll have a link in the description for you guys for them. They're SLP loudmouths. There's the Borlas that we cut off right there. This is what it looks like after. We fixed the hanger for them and everything too. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Now you can actually hear it. You can hear the cab. Pontiac GTO 6.0L. Stroker. That sounds sick. I love that sound. It sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Then he got his buddy. Got a Ford Mustang. See how this will sound. Will he outdo his friend? We shall see.